This is the cherry keychain. Cherries are so popular this season, and this really does hit the sweet spot between playful and polished. It's glossy, very well made, and surprisingly substantial in hand. This thing is not flimsy at all. I love the vibrant red resin cherries with the gold shimmer. Instantly gives off a very luxurious vibe. Think Coach cherries, but a fraction of the price. Trend alert, these cherry charms are everywhere right now, and this one nails the aesthetic. Sturdy metal hardware, and it feels very high-end, very, very high-end. You got here a bag charm, a car accessory, or a statement keychain. This is high quality, great design, and on-trend appeal. This cherry bag charm is an affordable way to tap into that biggest 2025 accessory trend. So whether you're gifting it or keeping it for yourself, this is a small detail that makes a big fashion statement because cherries are officially in season. Highly recommend.